In this video, you will learn how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone. This is a complete Facebook ads tutorial. It is a step-by-step course for beginners. There is a difference between boosting a post and running a Facebook ads. But what most of you do is to boost a post. In this particular video, I will show you how to run Facebook ads from scratch with your smartphone. So watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important step. Welcome back to Run Nigeria, your gateway for international opportunities right from Nigeria. Our channel is dedicated in breaking down barriers and making international activities easily accessible for Nigerians. Whether you are interested in freelancing, ads management, studying abroad, participating in cultural exchange, exploring job opportunities overseas, we have you covered. Subscribe now and unlock the world of possibility with Rwanda Nigeria. Back to the video. The first thing you need to do is to create a page. If you don't have one already, if you already have, fine and good. But if you don't have, this is what you will do. Go to your Facebook, click on menu. When you tap on the menu, it will take you over here. Then you are going to see pages right here. When you click on the pages, you are going to see the pages you already have. If you don't have anyone, then right here will be blank. You will not see anyone here. Then you have to create your own page. Go ahead and click on the create button and proceed with the prompt to create your page. So that is the first step, creating your page. If you are using Android, open your Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, open your Apple Store and search for this app, Mata Ads Manager. This is the app right here. Click on it so you are going to see this icon. This is the app. Mine is showing open here because I already downloaded the app. If you have not downloaded the app, it will be showing install right here. So go ahead and install the app. After installing the app, click on open. Then this is the ads interface. This is what it looks like. It's going to look blank here. It's going to look blank here because you have not created any ads. But if you have created ads before, the ads history will appear here. So the first thing you are going to do is to set your payment method. Click on the setting icon. It will take you here. Click on the billing and payment. Then right here, you are going to see the ads payment method. Because this is your first time using this app, you are going to add a payment method. We have two types of payment method, prepaid and postpaid payment method. And it's good for you to use prepaid payment method because in Nigeria here, our Naira card is not working for postpaid. So that is why you need to select your prepaid payment method. I will show you how to do that right now. So click on ads payment method. You are going to check your country here. Ensure that you select your country. For instance, I'm in Nigeria. I'm going to select Nigeria. Select the currency. Mine is Nigerian Naira. Then select your time zone. Ensure that it's in Africa/Lagos. But if you are in other countries, select your time zone. Then after that, go ahead and click on next. Pay attention here. This is where some people make costly mistake in setting up their Facebook ads. Right here, you are going to see two kinds of payment method. The first one is postpaid and is usually on this one by default. But it's your duty to select the second one, which is Naira payment. If you use the second one, you have problem paying your ads with your Naira debit card. So go ahead and select the second one for you to use your prepaid ads method. So I will select this and you go ahead and click on next. So this is the next thing you will see here. Tap information. With this tap information is for those who are paying for tax for their businesses. So if you have a VAT ad, just go ahead and add it up. But if you are individual, you are not paying tax for your business, then go ahead and click on this skip button to skip. The ads amount is usually 4,500 by default. But you can always tap on it to edit it and add amount that you want to add. But in this case, you are not adding money yet. You just want to set a payment method. So just go ahead and click on next. It will take you to this pay section. You will see it continue. Click on continue button. Now right here, you are going to see card number, card holder's name and all that. I will explain this when you want to add money to your ads account. So just click back, go ahead and close the ads phone. Now that you have set your ads payment method, you will see this prepaid phone. Now that you have set your ads payment method, you see the prepaid phone is here and you will see that the balance is 0. To add funds to your Facebook account, this is what you will do. You are going to click on the setting icon, click on the billing and payment. Go ahead and click on add funds. You are going to see the amount to add here. By default is usually on 4,500. So tap on the 4,500 to edit. So let's assume that I want to fund 2,000 naira. Then ensure that you select the second one, Naira payment with MasterCard Visa, pay you by the side. Don't ever select this one that said debit or credit card. Select this Visa MasterCard by the side. Don't ever select the first one. Please note this. Select the second one that says Naira payment with MasterCard Visa. Okay, when you select the second second one, go ahead and click on the next button. So it is going to redirect you to PayU platform. Click on this continue button. Now you are going to enter your card details. The card that work on this Facebook ad is only MasterCard. Vibe doesn't work. Do not use Vibe, use MasterCard or Visa. So you are going to see the card number. This card number is the long number on your ATM card. Then this card holder name is the name on your ATM card. Some banks do not write it, but if they don't write it, add your account name. You will see on your card. Then when you enter that, you are going to see another thing, which is CVV. That CVV is a 3-digit number at the back of your card. So you are going to enter the 3-digit number. When you enter the 3-digit number, you are going to click on this pay 2,000 naira. You see the button here. It depends on the amount that you want to pay. If you are paying 5,000, you will see 5,000 button here. Then go ahead and click on it. Pay 5,000 naira. It's going to redirect you to a page where you enter your OTP. Your bank is going to send you an OTP to your email or to your phone number that you use in registering with the bank. Then send the OTP to your phone number or go ahead and enter the OTP and click on submit button here. And with that, you are funding your ASS account for you to see your balance. You are going to see this ETA here. Just go back. You are going to see your balance. You are going to see the money that you just added here under prepaid funds. You will see it here. This one is showing 0 because I've not added any money here. It's just an account I'm using for illustration. You will see the balance right here. Now that you have set up your payment method, you have added funds. The next thing is for you to set up your ASS. So what you are going to do is to click on create button or you click on the plus icon here. Both of them serve the same purpose. I have clicked on create. Now you are going to see different options here. Let me explain one by one. Pay attention right here because if you get the objective wrong, you are going to waste your money on ads. You are going to get the result wrong, so that's why you need to pay attention here. The first thing that Facebook is asking you is your objective, what you want to achieve with the ads. Facebook has changed the user interface, so moving on, which objective do you want to achieve with this ads? And there are several objectives that we have here. We have the first one, which is engagement, and for this engagement they say you get more messages, video views, post engagement page, like and event response. So if you want to achieve any of these, if you want people to DM you or if you want people to message you, you want people to engage with your post. What they mean by post engagement is like, comment and share. That's what we mean by that. The next one here is awareness campaign. Awareness campaign is most used for brand awareness. It is good to reach more people. This is mostly used by big companies who just established in a country or a city and they want to create more awareness. Then the next objective we have here is traffic objective. The traffic objective is used when you want to get more landing page views. If you want to get website visitors, people to visit your website. If you want to get traffic on your WhatsApp or Instagram DM or your messenger, then go ahead and use this traffic objective. Then the next objective we have here is called leads. If you want to generate leads are people's phone number, email address, their name or address. So these are the things that we call leads. So that's for list objective. The next objective that we have here says objectives. The objective is used when you want to sell directly. For instance, those who are running e-commerce products, or if you are selling digital products or you are using a sell page. This is when you use these sell objectives to sell what you are selling directly. The last objective that we have here is app promotion. This app promotion is used by people who want people to download their app on the Apple Store or Play Store. So that's what app promotion is used for. So these are the various objectives that we have here on Facebook, and you are going to select one based on what you want to achieve with your ads. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to use one as an illustration. So if you want one or one mentorship with him, then comment below. So let's continue. Let us use the objective here, which is traffic objective. So I will select the traffic objective right now and let us see how the setup goes. The first thing here is the campaign details. You can see that is in the traffic. So the next thing is to edit the campaign name. Let us quickly do that. So we click on campaign name and edit it. The reason why it is good to name your campaign is so that when you want to run several campaigns, you'll be able to know which one did better, which one is for what product you promoted. So for instance, I want to sell laptop, so I will just label it laptop so that I will know which campaign I am doing right now. So for instance, I want to promote laptops, so I will just label it laptop so that I will know which campaign I'm doing right now to differentiate other ones. So I have labeled this laptop a special ads category. You don't need to go here. This one is for housing, for politics, and I don't think your advert is going into that. So leave the special category alone. So let's move on the next one, which is budget. So click on the budget to edit budget. The budget, they are talking about how much you want to spend per day. And And we have two kinds of budgets here. We have the daily budget and the lifetime budget. I will always advise you use the daily budget so that you can know how much you are spending per day and how much it is cost to get a particular result. So simply go ahead and click on this edit, the amount you want to spend a day. So right here, for instance, I want to use 1,000 for this particular ask. The big strategy is highest value. Just leave it at that. Don't touch anything there. Then go ahead and click on the back button so that you go to back and fill up other things. So I'll click on the back button. Now I've set up my budget. The next thing I want to do is to click on next. We have three ask level. We have the campaign level, we have the asset level, and we have the ask level. We are done with the campaign level right now. We are the asset level. So let's see the asset name. We will edit that. Then we'll talk about other things right here. So let me tap on this asset name and I will still label it laptop because I want to promote laptop in this particular ask. So I will take it to here and I will tap on the back button to go back. I'll be a little faster now so that this video will not take too long, okay? So the next thing we have here is conversion. What they mean by that conversion is that they are asking the destination where you want those who engage in the ads to go to. Do you want them to come to your DM on Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or website? You select that right here. So let me tap on it to edit. For this particular one, we have the website and messenger. We do not see WhatsApp here because this page is not linked to business WhatsApp. If you link your page to business WhatsApp account, then you are going to see WhatsApp here. So we can select these two things. You can use website or you can use messenger. So I want to drive this particular traffic on my website. So I will use a website and I will click on this back button. Next we have here is schedule. So I will tap on this schedule. And what they are asking you is how long do you want to run it. You see the start date and the start time. You need to see this end date usually off so you can turn it on. And now you can see your end date. So go ahead and set your end date and end time for you to proceed. The next thing here you will see is to add your set spend limit. Just leave the button off. Don't touch it. Leave it off. Go ahead and click on back to send the next thing we have here. And the next thing here is audience. How do you set your audience? I will tap on audience now. Under the audience you will see location. And this one is Nigeria. Nigeria is not the only location you can target. If you want to target people in Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, United States, United Kingdom, people in South Africa, and every other location, depending on who your audience is, then go ahead and tap this edit. You are going to enter the place where they say search location. This one is in Nigeria, so if you don't want Nigeria or you want to add other location, you can click here to add other location. Then right here you are going to see detailed targeting. Actually there is two types of targeting. We have open targeting and we have detailed targeting. I don't want this video to be too long. I will create a video that is a complete targeting tutorial. So subscribe so that you get notified when I post the video, so you understand more details about targeting. Let me just do it with open targeting and we get going. The next thing here is age. So you are going to select the age for this particular product that you want to sell. There is a drop down button here. Just tap on the drop down button and you are able to select the minimum age and the maximum age. So what I'm selling is for those that are 25 years and above, and I don't want to select age bracket to see how it connects. So let me see the minimum age and I'm going to select 55. I want those from 25 to 55 years old. That is what I want. Then I will click on go ahead. The next thing here is gender, and you are going to see a drop down button here and you can select the particular gender you want. So when you tap on the drop down button, you are going to see men and women. So this particular product is for all genders. Both male and female use it. So leave it like that. If yours is only for women, then select women. If it's for men, select for men. For my own case, it's for all. So if it's for all, select all. Okay, the next one here is audience name. Just tap here and you are going to be able to edit this audience name. The reason why you need to save your audience name is so that you can use it next time. If that audience converts well, you can be able to differentiate between this particular audience and the subsequent audience that you will be setting. So I will just type in laptop here. That's what I will just leave here and I will save it. The next thing here that I will have is placement. Tap on this placement to edit. Above placement setting, we have advantages plus placement. Above placement setting, we have advantage plus placement. And we also have manual. So right here, you are going to see there is a drop down button here. Tap on drop down button to see the manual. I like setting my placement by myself. So if you come over here, you will see the advantage plus recommendation. And you see the manual. I would like putting manuals. So on this manual, you are going to see the device. If you want to show people using mobile phone or desktop, you can use the drop down arrow here. select it and enter. This is one of the platforms that ads is going to show. So you can also see the drop down here. For instance, I don't want my own laptop to show people using laptop. I want to minimize my ad spend, so I will uncheck this desktop and I will leave it only on mobile. Then I will come over to this platform. Here I will tap on this platform, this drop down arrow, and I'm going to uncheck messenger. So I will uncheck the audience network. I will leave it to run Facebook ads and Instagram ads. So that is it, and I will go back and select other things. Click on next, tap on this ad name and edit ad name. So I will still name it laptop because I'm selling a laptop on this particular ad. So after that, I will click this back. Then I will click on identity to select the page that I want to use to run this ad. That is necessary if you have more than one page. If you also want to run your ads to Instagram, you can also see the Instagram page right here. That is it if you have connected your Instagram account to your Facebook page. If you have not connected it, you can still connect it. The ads will still run on Instagram. If you select Instagram at this placement level, there is a drop down arrow here for you to select the page. That is it if you have more than one page. So you are going to see all the pages that you have here, and you select a particular one that you want to run ads with. So for instance, I want to run this ads. So for instance, I want to run this ad to see digitals. So I will select digital right here and I will click back. Click on ad setup to edit your ads. Click on this drop down button and you are going to see that you have created an ad. And you also have existing posts. I will explain it to you. To create that you want to use when you want to create your creative note for beginning, you need to select an image or video for all that. Then use the existing post, which is the second one is mostly used when you have already made the post on the Facebook page. Then you can click the existing post to select the post that you have made. That's when you want to promote an existing post page. That's when you use that one. But if you want to select the creative from a friend, then you use this one where they say create ads. Okay, I will use ads for now because I want to select the ads afresh. The next thing here is ad format. You have a single image or video here. I will also have a cancel. This single image or video is used when you want to use only one video or image. Then this character is used when you want to use more than one. So in this particular ad, I want to use single image. So I will select this one single image or video and I will click this back. If you have any question, do well to comment below and don't forget to like this video. Most people pay for this knowledge. I'm giving you this for free. So the only way you can appreciate it is to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you so much as you do so. The next thing we have here is creative. Click on this edit button to edit your creative. Here you are going to see select image or video and there is a drop down image here. So tap on the drop down button. You are going to see image and video options. So it depends on what you want to use. If you want to use a flyer image, then go ahead and select image. If you want to use video, select video. So in this particular video, I want to use image. So I'm going to select an image there. The next thing you see here is the median. And there is a drop down arrow here for you to select your image. When you click on it, it will take you directly to your image. We have three sections where you can select those images from. We have page image, we have camera roll, and we have to add image. So these three locations tell you what you want to select from your page. Then go ahead and select from this. Then go ahead and click on this page image. But if you want to select an image from your gallery, then go ahead and click on this camera roll. If you want to select image from your previous ad, then go ahead and click on as image. In this case, I want to select the image from my gallery. I will click on camera roll, so I will select this particular laptop because this is a laptop that I'm promoting. Then I will click on back button. The next thing we have here is headline. Go ahead and type your headline here. What they mean by headline is short catching phrase that can capture your audience attention. I want to get a quality laptop at affordable price. If you are running a promo or you are doing a Black Friday sale or Christmas sale or a New Year sale, whatever slash sale or special discounts, go ahead and type it here. The next thing that we'll have here is primary text. Okay, the primary text area is where you are going to type your product description. Complete the details about your service or what you are offering. That is where you enter your primary text. After primary text, the next thing you have here is website. Remember, I was running this traffic on my website, but if you don't want to run on your website, you can run on your messenger, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, but I'm running on my website. So right here, I'm going to type in my website link. The next thing we have here is to call to action. Then there is a drop down arrow here. When you click that, you will see all the call to action. The one here is learn more. Let me click on the drop down arrow for you to see them. So this call to action is what you want to do. That is it. You see a several call to action here. In my own case, I want them to get offer. I will select get offer. Click here to go back. Next thing you are going to do now is to click on this review. Here you can see your ads will appear on Facebook. There's another option here like campaign details, budget and all that. You can go ahead and edit them. If you discover that you make any mistake, you can go ahead and edit them. You see your schedules, your audience, your page, your ad creative here. After going through them, I discovered that everything is correct. Then go ahead and click on this publish button. After clicking on this publish button, your ads will be reviewed and will take minimum of 24 hours for them to approve or reject your ads. Sometimes it's 2 hours, 1 hour, sometimes 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, as the case may be. And after that, they are going to approve or reject your ads. Then when it is approved, you will see it active. You can see the active head on your ads. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe so that you will not miss the next valuable content. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.